In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix D3DX11 underscore 43 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is you have to know your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL file and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you will find the download button corresponding to your system's type. So simply click on that. That will be downloading the DLL file. So wait for that to be downloaded. Once done, click on the folder icon. And then right click, select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, and then locate the System 32 folder. So here, if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System 32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW 64. Right click and then select paste, and simply click on replace the file in the destination. And after doing so, do not forget to restart by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then open a browser for the next method. In the search bar, search for Visual C++ Redistributable. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type. After the download link has been completed, just simply double click on that and install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.